Good afternoon, children. Today what we have seen in our online class? Yes, it's about shapes and patterns. This is your new chapter. See, there are many shapes which we have to study. But now, as far as now it's concerned, these shapes are enough to study. Okay, and we will study the extra shapes one by one later. Okay, now look at here. What is the first one? It's circle. What is the first one? Circle. It is round in shape. Do you remember anything in circle shape? Many things are there. We will see the examples in following. Okay. Next one. What is that? Oval. What is the second shape? Oval. Okay. See, you can see this oval in horizontal, sometimes in vertical. And what is the third shape? Third one. What I have written? It is triangle. Triangle. Why it's triangle? You know? Because it has three sides. 1 minute. Look at here. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Three sides are there. So, it is called as triangle. And fourth one, what is that? Square. What is the fourth one? Square. Fifth one is rectangle. What is the fifth one? Rectangle. And you know, what is the difference between the square and rectangle? In square, this we used to call it as sides. Okay. See, all the sides are equal if you measure with the scale or whatever. But in rectangle, these two sides are equal. I mean opposite sides are equal, but not same in size. All the sides are not same in size. That is the difference. Okay. Can we see examples now? Wow, what is this? All eatables? No, this is example for circle shape. What is that? Circle. Look at here. What is the first one? It is donut. How it looks? It is in round shape, right? Circle. What is that? Circle. What is the second one? Candy. And third one, biscuit. And the final one is button. Look at each and everything. How it looks. It has no sides and it's round in shape. Right? It's circle in shape. So if I ask any example for circle, you have to immediately bring something which is round in shape. Okay. Got it? And the circle has no sides. Don't worry, we will see those things in future. Look at here. What is this? See, this is example for rectangle. As I told you, look at here. Both the sides are equal. I mean opposite sides are equal. But not all the sides are equal. Not all the sides are same. Only opposite sides are equal. If all the sides are same, then that is square. Okay, it's square. But here, opposite sides only equal. So, it is rectangle. So, you can say these examples. And what is the second one? Yes, it's almirah. Right? So, this is also an example for rectangle. And look at the TV. It looked like a square because it seems to be all the sides are equal. But actually it is not. Okay. So this is an example for rectangle. Got it? We can say n number of examples. Even table. You are having table in the house, right? See, opposite sides are equal in length, but not all the sides. That is also an example for rectangle. What is that? Rectangle. Then what is this? This is clock, right? How it looks? Look at on opposite sides and also on both sides. Here, 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 here. See, all the sides are equal. I mean, all the sides are equal in length. Now, what is this? This is carom board. Have you seen this? Your parents played with your elders, right? Now also they are playing, huh? Okay. This is an example for square. All the four sides are equal. Look at here. Wow, a cute suitcase. So all the four sides are equal. So these are examples for square. Square, okay. Wow. See? So much junk foods, right? Only this one is golden fruit, which is very good for health, which keeps us to stay hydrated throughout the day. Yes, this is good for summer. Watermelon, right? Look at the shape of it. This is pizza piece, right? So piece of the pizza. Look at here how it looks. It has three sides. 1, 2, 3. So 3 sides means it's tri. 3 sides means tri. So it is called as triangle. What is this? Triangle. And how it looks, this watermelon? The cut piece look like a triangle. So what is this? Triangle. And what is this? Sandwich, right? How it looks in triangle, exact triangle shape. How it looks? Exact triangle shape. And here, your favorite chips, right? So this is also in triangle shape. In triangle, 3 sides are there. The 2 sides are equal in size. Okay. Okay, children. What about the example for oval? I didn't mention here. Have you seen your surprise? Kinder Joy. The Kinder Joy is an example for oval. The Kinder Joy is an example for oval. Okay, the best example for oval is, have you seen egg? Yes, this is a best example for oval shape. Don't worry, this is just an introduction part. I will teach you the things later. Okay, bye children.